Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to add to cart on Stockx. So let's get into the video. So when you get to stockx.com and you can log in if you have an account. So if you want to add something to your cart, so first you go to select an item that you want to add it to the cart. So for example, let me choose this item here, this footwear here. So now here, when you select an item, you'll see two options here, place bid and buy for a certain amount. So what are you going to do if you want to add it to your cart? So you're going to go for this option here, buy for this. For example, this one is $65. So click on it. So that will add it to your cart. So for example, let me select the size. Hit on buy for $65. So once I select this here, so now what I have to do is simply after since this is a footwear, I just need to select the sizes, and then once that's done, so hit on review order. So what I'm going to do is simply hit on review order. So this will now by default add it to my cart. So this item here has been added to my cart, and that's the pricing and everything. So if I want to buy this, so I can simply hit on place order and complete the payment. So just simply select the buy now option, and that will add the item to your cart. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.